Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. Helly Hansen, they sent me this wonderful Oxford winter softshell jacket. It really is an amazing jacket to wear to work, especially if you want to look good in front of your customers. It features a really nice soft pile lining. It's got ribbed sleeves and a hem so that it's very expandable, stretchable, easy to put on and take off. And it also has this wonderful snap-on and snap-off hood that's got an adjustment on the back for how much coverage you want over your head. It's really a fantastic jacket. So give it a shot, take a look at it, and I think you're gonna like it. I also like the pockets that are on the inside to stuff your gloves, maybe your cell phone, to keep your cell phone warm, but really nice, and it has some really wonderful exterior zip-up pockets so that you can keep things secure. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. You're gonna like this Helly Hansen jacket. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.